Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Check your internet connection first. Open a speed test website and make sure you have at least 5 megabits per second download speed. If it's slower, restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy section, and delete browsing data from the beginning of time. This removes corrupted files that might be blocking SFLIX from loading properly. Step 3. Try a different browser to see if the issue persists. If SFLIX works on Chrome but not Safari, then you know it's a browser compatibility problem. Download a different browser if you need to and test the site again. Step 4. Disable any ad blockers or VPN services you have running. These tools can interfere with streaming sites. Temporarily turn them off and reload the page to check if that fixes it. Step 5. Update your device and applications to the latest versions. Check for system updates on your phone or computer and install any pending browser updates. Outdated software often causes streaming problems that get resolved with updates.